Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to collect AHS logs from ILO. First, open your web browser and type in the ILO IP address. Once the login page appears, enter your username and password. Make sure you have the necessary administrative permissions to proceed, as this ensures full access to all ILO features. This initial step is crucial for accessing the system's health data. After successfully logging in, look at the left-hand navigation pane. You'll find a section labeled Information. Click on this to expand the options. From the expanded list, select Active Health System Log. This action will take you to the dedicated page where you can manage and download the AHS logs. On the Active Health System Log page, you'll see options to specify the log duration. You can select a specific time range or a predefined period. Once you've made your selection, simply click the Download button. The ILO will then generate and download the AHS log file directly to your computer, usually within a few moments. The file you've downloaded will typically have a Oz extension. To view and analyze this log, you'll need the HPE Active Health System Viewer application. Open the Oz file with this viewer to see a detailed report of your server's health and diagnostic information. This tool helps you understand any issues or performance trends.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.